explode stuff with guns. Guns. I'm recording this because I can. The pineapple's rotten, dude.
Good, I hope it died. Me too. Me too. What did you do? Me too.
What, you want to shoot it?
We also had to say me too over and over.
Me too.
Hi.
I'm recording this.
Okay. Ow.
Gun.
Gun.
If you're going to shoot it, you got to let me help you, though.
Oh.
This thing's got a lot of kick to it. You never shot anything like this before. You want to shoot it?
Yes. It's ready. Quiet. Yeah.
There's ringing in my ear now.
Ready? Pull the trigger. I'll hold it.
Yeah, I'm ringing. It's normal. I have a ringing.
I can't see. I can't hear. I don't know.
Ringing in my ear too. It's fine.
I don't like that. That hurt.
Don't worry about it. You're fine.
It surprised me too. It's just like,
Yeah.
it also hurt my chin.
I just have a really big ringing in my ear now.
Yeah, same.
It goes away. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, bye, people.